Thank you.
Hi guys, so yeah, I'm getting ready right now. I just finished my foundation. Right now I'm gonna do my eyebrow on here. I don't know yet what to I'm wearing this gray and black with what something. This ring light is making me crazy right now. It's trying to fall apart. Anyway, yeah, I'm getting ready right now and I can't really show you what I'm doing because I'm gonna film my eye look for today since I haven't done any eye look. This time I'm gonna be using my Lorac Makeup Pro 2 and then this Wet n Wild something palette. This one here, I wanna use this one because I wanna do like a cranberry autumn fall look, and then also this shade right here also for the crease. So I don't know, I'm just gonna try to incorporate all these colors together in a video. And an eye look, what I mean. So I'm gonna post this eye look once I get it, so I'll be right back. I think I'm crunching time right now because Janice is awake. I'm gonna make this quick. Hope everything turns out fine. Cross my fingers. I'm hoping for the best with this eye look. Alright! Okay, I'll see you soon. Yeah, also today it's my husband's birthday, so that's why I'm getting ready. We're just gonna have dinner, you know, simple celebration. That's it. What really important is that, you know, you are in good health, that you're happy, you know, that's all that matters, that you have your family that loves you and take care of you. So that's what the most important thing is, especially if, you know, health. Yeah, so that's it. I'll see you in a bit. Finally, I'm done. I get injured from trying to catch my ring light from falling down. Oh my god, so finally I'm done with my look, and I'm just gonna rest for a while. I'm gonna clean up over here, and then we still have a few times left, but I'm gonna get Yan to get ready. And yeah, that's it. This is my finished makeup look for tonight. So this is it. Very dramatic cranberry, you know, fallish look. I don't even know what to call this yet. I'll see you later. So we're gonna be here for dinner. Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you.
So we're gonna be here at Pinay at the back. Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy! Give Daddy a kiss. Hey, Daddy.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go in now. Birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Look at the place, check it out!
Thank you.
What did you say, Ann?
You're welcome.
Can you say happy birthday, Daddy?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank
Good
you,
job.
baby boy. You look so nice in your blue shirt. Very nice.
Yeah.
Like Daddy's shirt, no sleeve. No sleeve shirt.
I got this one, Dad.
Oh yeah. You see the guy thought you were a girl. He said, what does the little girl want to eat? Because your hair is so long. You have to tell him, I'm not a girl, I'm a boy.
I'm not so hungry.
I want french fries.
I know, you're gonna come. Oh, he's the little boy is hungry.
French fries.
Very good. Nice layout. Nice. You're happy now?
My french
You
fries.
got fine dining French fries, baby.
Yeah. Happy now. Yan yan, pizza. Oh my God, it's so big. Yeah. Yeah, look at your pizza, yeah. Very nice. What's that? My seafood plates. The Marie Chiaro. And then daddy's food, which is the chicken.
Yes. Conchigli. Conchigli.
Conchigli, I can't pronounce it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Wow,
I've
that
never
was.
heard an Italian thing, right?
Oh, that was.
I hope we embarrass you.
Oh, not at all, but it's okay. Thank you.
Bring the band out there.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Blow the cake now. Make a wish.
Thank you, Lord. Want some ice cream?
That was nice. They made a one. Hi guys, so now I'm just taking off my makeup. I did film for an update for the foundation, and I would say the foundation is really good though. I was waiting for this moment to take off my falsies, because I don't know guys, I'm not a falsie lover. My eyes are so itchy from the glue and stuff, so it's kind of sensitive. So this will end my night taking off my makeup. I hope you enjoy this short video of ours spending my husband's birthday, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.